Hello, Funke Oyende here with this training on making paper flower. This is another design of paper flower we're making, and we're going to be using this template here. I have them in two sizes, just two sizes of templates. And how I arrived at this is just I started with a square of paper like this, about 5 inches square, and then I folded it in two, and I drew my design, just a sort of scallop like this on it, and then I now curved it towards the end like this and cut it out, and that was how I arrived at that shape. So just shape this out, cut out this scallop little by little. So that was how I arrived at that shape over there. So the first template is about, I used 5 inches for this first template, and then this smaller one is about 3.5 inches square. That was how I got my template. Now I'm going to arrange my petals on this round base. My base is about 4.5 inches in diameter. So but before I start arranging, I'm going to slit the middle. I cut the middle a little bit, about 1 inch in the middle, and then I will glue them. So I'm going to use my hot glue gun to glue. My paper actually has two sides, so I'll be using the black side of it. So just glue the center like this. So I'll do that to all my petals before I arrange them. So after preparing all my petals that way, I'm going to begin to glue them to my round base. So I just apply my glue to the base of my petal and glue the first row to the edge of my round paper base, and I'll do that all around. So I'll make sure that the second one overlaps the first a little bit, and I'll do that and go round. Okay, so I've gone round, I've done my first row. So I'll now go to the second row with my smaller petals, and I'll go round all over again. So my second row is going to be inside of the first one. You can see it's smaller than the first row. So I'll be going around again. Okay, so I have my second row also completed. So for the first row I used 6 petals, and the second row I used 5. Now between the center, this particular flower has just 2 rows of petals. Now I'll be using this for my center. The one is bigger than the other, and the way I arrived at this is just to cut a square of paper. I think I used 5 inches square, and another one of about 3 inches square. So just fold your square of paper in two like this, and then you fold it in 4 again. Fold it in 4, and then you fold this in. So you fold it like halfway and fold over the other one like this, and then you cut with your scissors a sort of this is what we're going to cut. Let me draw it before we cut it. Something just like this. So you cut it out, and then you open it out, and you have that. So that was how I cut the center. So I'll just be gluing this to the middle for my center. So apply glue to the bigger one and glue it to the center, and then the smaller one If you like, you can use the same color like this for the two centers, or you use a different color for maybe one color and then another one for the smaller one, as you like it. Then finally, I want to glue this button to the center of it all. So I just apply my glue to the back of the button and glue it to the middle to finish off. So that's my lovely flower there. If you love it, thank you for watching this. Funke Oyende signing off. Bye.